Exapta always forced you to stipulate at the very outset whether you were ordering screen print, embroidery, or a blank. Queen X no longer demands that of you. The process of ordering a blank garment is deceptively simple. Unless, of course, your mind is a total blank. Come to think of it, this process may be a struggle for Andy Seeloss, but for the rest of you, I think you'll find it's a walk in the park. Simply create a line, just as you normally would. Enter the style that you wish. In this case, I'm requesting the 20,000 short sleeve tee. Select your color. I'll go with denim. Enter your quantities. And then notice, as the instructions say over on the right-hand side, if you're done with this line, click Save and Close below. And since you don't need to put any art on it, you don't need a price tag, you don't need special handling, you don't need licensing, it's true. You can simply save and close. You've just ordered a blank line. That's all there is to it.